I don't know why that happened.
What are you doing?
No, we're good. What? What are we doing?
We're going to pick up that tree I just cut.
My bad. My microphone was up. You there?
Yeah.
Okay. Oh, alright, we got the tree.
Turn. Hold on. Turn on the logging winch.
Oh, yeah.
I'll control it.
B.
Turn it on.
It says B, turn on logging winch. No, that's wrong. 7. 7, here we go. Alright. Alright, we all set?
Hold on.
Alright. All set.
Just put the fucking throttle down and steer with me.
Alright.
You might want to lower that thing a little bit.
Why?
Nah, it'll be fine.
Oh my god.
Oh. Turn right.
Is that a pool right next to a fucking lake? What a bunch of friggin' idiots. Yeah, oh, nice pool you got here. No, it's a hotel.
You ready for the first one?
Use the fucking big lake there. Oh, this?
Yeah.
Oh, man. Yeah, I'm down. Let's do it.
Alright, hit the throttle.
Alright.
We're gonna go straight up it.
Holy fuck. Oh man, no way. This is crazy.
I know. We gotta find that dam. I don't know where exactly it is. He's on the brakes.
Dam?
We're going downhill. There's a dam around here somewhere. Alright, we're good. Let off. Hit the throttle.
I
don't know. We climbed that hill right behind. We ended up near a dam.
Huh. Yeah, I don't know.
Are you even hitting the throttle?
No.
Well, keep on it. Keep balling.
Sorry.
Alright, fuck it. We're going up the grass side.
I was just checking on my phone, checking the stream quality and the fucking audio and stuff. I'm done now. It's fucking perfect. It's freaking prime, right? Oh my fucking god! Oh, here we go. We're gonna freaking give her, bro. We're gonna send it. Oh no, we're not. No way we're getting up there.
Shut up.
We're just gonna go around it.
You have to believe.
We're gonna go around it. Oh my god.
Keep on the throttle, don't let go.
This is all I got. Cruise control is full throttle. That's all I got. Oh my god. No. No. This is it. This is the first thing. Like, we can't do this. They're not moving. Oh my god, it's going faster. What? Dude, you are way beyond vertical. You should be falling over right now. Oh god, we're stuck.
No, we're not.
It's not moving.
No, we're not.
Oh my god, it's moving. Ah! What the fuck? How the fuck? This is fucked.
Same as running a dozer, man.
It seems legit. Oh my god. That is crazy. There's no way that's possible. We're still going. Dude, you better straighten that out.
We'll be fine.
No, you gotta straighten it out. Yeah, see? Too hard of a turn there. Oh my god. Yeah, turn it right. There you go.
It'll make it.
Yep.
Track-type tractors are the best.
Dude. This is ridiculous, dude. This shit will not stop moving. Well, for a bit. What the fuck?
It hasn't technically stopped yet.
True, they do keep moving. Little by little.
It's creeping. Ah. And we're still dragging a tree. So slow, but it's moving. Oh, you're tipping. There it is. That was the problem right there. You were only running on one track.
Oh my god. I can't believe this just happened.
That tree is even like, what the fuck? Hook her right around that tree.
Oh my god. That's crazy. How the fuck did we even do that?
I don't know. all of the traction is based on what I'm doing, really.
Yeah.
Where's that fucking dam? Hit the brakes.
A dam.
No.
I'm looking on the map here. I don't see a dam. Oh, yeah, I do. I do.
We've seen how it goes uphill. Let's see how we can do downhill.
I think I see a dam. I'm not sure. No, I don't. Fuck. Oh, man. Here comes the tree. Nice. Nicely done. Smooth. Yeah, I don't see a dam at all. You see it on the map at all? I don't.
I think I know where it is.
Where?
Just hit the gas and follow.
Give me a number.
There's no number. McLean biogas plant.
Over by that? No, because there's no fucking water there.
No. Just wait for it. We'll find it.
Is it the next left?
Yep.
Yeah, see, I thought that might have been it, but... I don't think so. It could be, I don't know. Let's do it. Gross.
They're gonna hydroelectric up the whole... Alright, slow down. Yep, this is it.
Oh, this has to be it.
Get on the throttle, I guess.
Okay, this is gonna be fucked. Especially with a damn tree. I have no faith in this mission at all.
How can you win if you don't have faith?
Cheat.
That works too.
We're dragging a big ass tree up this fucking mountain.
We'll call this machine the Super Skater.
Now what are you gonna do? Just keep going up. I don't know,
I'm not gonna quit.
It's moving. Yeah, I think we got this. I mean, we're already this far up. We got this all day. I don't know, that you're taking a steep risk right there. No pun intended. Wow. This is crazy. What? Are you serious?
We're not done yet.
What do you mean? We're up here. Just about. We're done. Oh my god. Oh, you're gonna try to go up that? Yeah, we can do that. That's easy.
Apparently.
The tree is spinning all around and shit. Uh-oh. Ooh, that's pretty fucking... Oh my
no,
god.
We got it. We got it.
Oh my god. Hydroplane correction. Not really, but sure. Yeah, seems legit.
Not on my screen.
I can't
Tree.
believe we did that, dude.
Well, now we gotta drag 2 trees.
Actually, yes. Because we made that. Yeah, we need 2 trees. We gotta get the other tree right where this one is, though. Like the base. Right up on the back end of my tractor. Just like this one is. Otherwise,
Well,
it's
let's
gonna
get
be
back
frigged.
down there without dying first.
I don't think we can die in this game, but
Well, without
we'll find out.
If
there's anyone that's gonna find out if we can actually die in this game, it'll be us.
Yeah, most likely. This is gonna be some strong braking.
Strong. My muscles
Strong.
are getting very strong. Hey, did you notice that your players' hands are actually on the controls?
Yep.
In this tractor? Most of them, they just sit there. So yeah, that's kind of cool.
Brakes, hardcore brakes.
Not in first person though. They're just fucking controls.
Well, we can get down it. Can we get back up it?
Oh yeah. Whoa! Wow! Oh shit! Nice. Nice. That's what I'm friggin' talking about.
Looks like we don't really have shit for choices on trees, huh? Oh, there's one big one right there. I know what we can do. Drop that tree right where it's at. Left shift B.
Oh! Wrong button. Oh man. That's not good.
Let me see this thing.
Yeah, I'll just get out. Yeah, I don't know. Alright, I disconnected it, so... Ah, there we go. Perfect.
Alright, cut down this one right here.
What? Which
Hold
one?
on. 1 second. Let me straighten this one. That's what I love about these fucking Taft-Jun winch things. You can use them as like a bulldozer and push the shit around. Alright, hang on.
Oh, see, that's the one I thought you were talking about. Yeah, I'm gonna sit in the tractor so I don't get fucking smushed.
It's not possible, remember?
Yeah, I know. I'm just RP.
Fail
And
RP.
it's going to the it's going the other way anyways.
That's the way I wanted it to go.
That's what everyone says.
No, it is though. Let me cut this stump down.
Okay.
That way it doesn't get hung up, you know?
Yeah. So we're gonna hook up this tree and the other tree and try to pull them both.
Go ahead, winch it in a little bit. I'll do it. Turn the winch on.
Fuck, which button was that? B? Of course it's B.
Pull it out.
Alright.
Alright. Now pull up next to this one as close as you can get it.
Alright, move your tractor.
Let me move this.
Yeah.
If you can, back right up to it. You know what I mean?
Yep.
So they're right choked right next to each other.
I think I can just cut it.
No, cut it hard to the right.
I know what I'm doing. Right here, let me back up
Yeah,
a little
stop.
bit. Hold on. Oh.
Lower that thing and push it back to even up with the other one.
Lowers this and down. Oh!
Yep.
Okay, connect.
Cool.
Alright, it's alright, yeah, that should work. I think you have to attach me. I'm not. Oh, wait. Did you disconnect me? Yeah, you have to attach me. I think. Let me open up the menu here.
There you go.
Yeah, I got it. I had to change tool.
Alright, we gotta make a spin around somehow. You ready for this?
Yep. Let's do it.
Follow my lead.
Alright, once. Oh. Take a little right there.
Working on it.
Yeah, I'm gonna spin this. Let's back up a little. Take a right. Hard right.
Trying to.
Alright. Should be alright. What the fuck is happening here?
I think we're hung up on some poles.
It's gotta be a. Yep. Fucking pole, dude. Damn it.
Alright, back it back around the way we came.
We'll just have to swing way harder, I think.
Cut it hard, yeah.
Oh, I'm on the trees. Yeah, I'm stuck.
Hit the throttle.
Oh man, we're gonna get stuck as fuck. Back up.
Straighten out a little more.
No,
See if we
we're
can
gonna
back
just-
these fuckers right down the...
Just start backing up. We might have to spin all the way around.
Do it.
Maybe not. Actually, you know what? Just hug the right side there and then make your left turn. No, you're turning too fast. Back up. Hug the right. All the way until you can't anymore, and then start turning left. Yep. Left, left, left. So you don't hit that pole. You should get this. Alright, straighten out. Hug the right. Not the pole. Oh no, we're gonna get fucked. These trees are not liking this. Come on, do it.
We got it.
Yep, we got it. Perfect. Alright. I'm hitting cruise control now. We got this all day. Oh man, we're not moving at all.
We didn't get started right. Alright.
Oh, they're dragging on that tree down there, aren't they?
I'm sure we can pull them out.
Too heavy. Alright, let me get down there. Try to cut this tree. I think they're... I'm pretty sure they're touching this. Oh yeah, they are. Oh, they're all up in this damn tree.
Cut it down and then hook it.
No. Alright, let's back up a little bit. Alright, let's give her. Give her.
I'm still stuck in cruise control. You pulled me backwards.
Right, come on. Maybe 2 trees is too much?
Never. I refuse to believe it.
Unless we're hitting this wrong. Yeah, we are. You see that on your left? It's a little less steep. Right there. Let's hit that.
Oh, this is the same shit that we've been hitting.
But see that on the left? It's a little less steep. So go up.
Just go for it. We're gonna get up this. Now I'm determined. This.
Nah, we gotta hit that shit on the left, dude.
Dude, chill with the left shit. This is the way we've been going up.
It doesn't matter. We got 2 trees now. It's different.
So
we gotta fucking go
at
left.
least get a little more speed.
We can't. I'm stuck.
Where's your fucking spirit? Lift your fucking thing up.
It's all the way up. Dude, you need to fucking go left.
Shut up. We'll get this.
We can't. Oh my god. We are. It's going. And... oh, what?
This is why I don't give up.
What the fuck is happening right now? Are you fucking kidding me? This is bullshit. This is impossible. What?
It's all about traction, my friend.
Oh my god, we're almost there too. But, oh no. This is way steeper right up here.
We'll get this.
Yeah, it's not fucking stopping, so. What the fuck? No, straight, straight, straight. No!
No, we're gonna get it.
What are we stuck on?
Nothing.
Exactly.
It's creeping very slowly.
It is. I shut off cruise and I'm just smashing the fucking throttle.
Yep.
We're moving. We're going up, dude. We're This is happening right now.
It's so slow.
It is.
But that's okay.
Come on, go.
Dude, the clutches in these machines would be like metal to metal right now.
This is happening. Come on. We need some torque, god damn it. Let's go. I put it back on cruise, it's doing the same thing. It's actually helping. I think. We're moving a little faster.
Turn your shit left and right a little bit. That's what I'm doing.
I gotta turn towards you. Or it doesn't do anything. Left actually hurts it. It's going against what you're doing. I'm just tapping the right a little bit. Yeah, look at that shit! Woo! Oh my god, here we go.
We gotta get in between these two trees right here. Steer towards
that
it.
is crazy. Oh shit, I hit off the throttle there.
It's alright, I held it.
Oh my god. And then we got one more challenge, right?
This.
I don't know about this one. No, that one's way too fucked. You know what? Actually, we can do that. That's easy. Or it should be. Nope. You're sliding back down. Take it to the right a little bit. Maybe? No, I don't know about that. That's way too much, dude.
Are you smashing the throttle or what?
Yeah.
We're creeping.
We are. Yeah, it's gonna happen. No, it's not. Oh, you let off. Throw it on cruise control and just smash. Oh, wait. Yeah, let's back up to right here. And then cruise control. Boom. It should just rip up there. Come on. Alright, let's back up a little more. Alright. Oh, no, 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 stop! Alright, let's go. We got this. Come on. What the fuck? No, now you're... That's even worse. On the right there. It's way more steep. Let's try left a little bit.
No, wait, I figured out where we were going. We're trying to go up like a rock wall right now, so...
Yeah, this is...
Go to the right, go to the right. Are them trees hung up?
I think so. Yeah. Yeah, you're fucking pulling me, dude. I'm up in the air. Yeah, we're going. They're just too heavy.
There we go.
No.
Hit the fucking throttle.
I'm going. I don't know. Oh, man. Almost. Damn it. Damn it. Almost. Alright. Let's try again. Our angle's way too fucked. No. No. Fuck that. Let's just go around.
No, we'll get this. Now I'm mad, so we're gonna get it.
We can't. Nope.
No, we're gonna get it.
Let me look over here.
Just get in the fucking machine, dude.
Shut up.
This is the whole point.
Yeah, no fuck. Right here. We gotta back up. Hit it right here.
We can't, because the trees are too damn long.
Well, it's too... You can't hit that. So... That's too sharp of a turn. We can't make that either. Nope, that's terrible. Let's just go around.
No, we're not going around. This
We
is the
can't
whole
hit
point
that.
of what we're doing. Yeah, we can.
Yeah, if I drop the trees.
No.
We can't make that. You're
Dude,
about to tip
stop
over.
saying we
like,
can't, you fuck.
Can't.
It's because you're a dick. Alright. Ready? Just work with me here. Fucking smash it.
Alright.
We gotta make it up just
Dude,
because we've done it fucking...
Half your tracks are off the ground. I'm pushing you. We have never made it up that... Not that one. That's fucked. I got one track on the ground. No, they're both down now.
Back up. We're gonna make it
Hold
up
on.
this shit.
Alright, let's see. I'll back up here. If I can. Hold on, let me cut this tree. Up this side. Okay. Alright. Now, let's try it, I guess. No. Fuck no. Oh man. Almost.
I'm just burying it.
We are moving. We're moving. Don't let off. Keep going. Little by little, it's going. No, we're moving back. Let's try that again. Back here more. Alright. Forward. Nope. That's done all day.
Come on, we made it up this before. We can do it again.
No, I think we took a fucking easier route. That's like the steepest all day.
Well, we gotta get out of here now.
Yeah, hit your... Yeah, straight left a little bit.
Hit the fucking throttle and go.
Oh, yeah. Oh, shit. We're caught up. The trees. They're caught on something, dude. Probably another oh, yeah. There's another fucking tree. Fuck off. Fuck off with the fucking trees! What are you doing? You're not going up that side. It's over. We're going up.
Just because you tell me I can't. Or
shut up. We're going up this side. We almost had it, but that fucking tree was in the way.
Well, hit the fucking throttle then.
Well, no, we gotta back up first, because you're not even close. Alright. Left and right there. Let's go. Yeah, we got this all day. As long as those fucking trees don't frig us. Look at that.
I feel like we could have gotten it on that.
Shut up. No. Fuck no. That is way too fucked. With the two trees, no way. Maybe with one tree, but no way with the fucking two trees. No. Nope.
Well, these little fuckers have certainly themselves.
Yeah.
I mean, these aren't just like a couple of logs. They're full-ass fucking trees, the tallest ones I can see.
Yeah, we fucked this game up, dude.
Because the trees don't even want to cooperate. They're like you, we're not dragging straight. Just a minute.
You want to do some fucking ATS?
Time is it?
12.
Oh, fuck no.
Faggot.
Get a nice screenshot of that. I mean, they weren't huge, but they weren't exactly small.
Right.
Add another one, let's see if we can do it. Yeah, these fucking little bastards have definitely proved themselves. The fuck is their horsepower?
I guess that means you're going to fucking sleep because you're gay.
No.
Yeah. Oh my god, it's 12 o'clock. I'm a pussy.
Fuck you. You work night shift.
Sometimes.
Wow. They did pretty good for 88 horsepower each. I'd say. Only 88.
There's so much dirt on mine compared to yours.
Well, that's the one we had. We were winching logs and when we were actually doing something.
True.
That one's old as fuck now.
Throw it out. Get a new one.
How many hours are on it?
3.
Mine only got 1.3. Fucking things are incredible though, huh?
Yeah.
Shut the stupid beacon light off because I hate them. That's something else, dude. You try that with one of those and you're just not getting it.
Damn.
Pretty funny. We should see what else we can do. Oh, dude. The fucking, what is it, Pacific Inlet logging map? The one that's all those mountain shit?
Mm-hmm.
We definitely gotta try that.
Oh, man.
Then there's trees
so
everywhere.
cool. Let's do it.
We'll do it. Not today.
Oh, come on.
Dude, I'm fucking exhausted, man. I've been up since 5 o'clock.
Oh, you're a piece of shit.
No.
Gay. What would Piper Perry do in this situation?
Probably suck one off.
And she'd do it. 'Cause she's a fucking... She's in it to win it.
I think you watch too much porn, dude. This is so fucked. You need to get off Pornhub. Go to like some other site.
Oh god.
God damn it, watch some grannies or something else. what would Ethel do? Oh shit. I'm fucking whipped, man. I'm out.
Alright, save this shit though.
Oh yeah, that's right. Save game, overwrite, blah. Titty bang, titty bang. Alright, we're done. Pretty awesome though.
No.
I can't believe we made it up with. I didn't even think we were gonna make it up with.
You what?
No, I didn't even think we were gonna make it with one.
Yeah, I guess.